This tutorial shows how to add dynamic content anywhere on your checkout page using checkout blocks and the customizer. You will learn to create and configure dynamic content blocks that enhance your checkout experience. Click the dashboard to access your admin area where you manage your app. Look for the dynamic content option and click Create to start adding content blocks on your checkout. Click the content name field to specify the name of your new content block. Enter your content name to identify this dynamic block. For example, type Promotion. Click Add Rule to define conditions under which this content will appear during checkout. Select from a range of rule types to base content display on the checkout page. We are selecting Cart Total as the attribute. Choose the comparison operator that fits your condition, such as is equal to or is greater than. We are going for is greater than in this case. Click Enter a number to input the value that the cart total will be compared against. We are keeping 100 as the cart total threshold for displaying the dynamic content. Click Add Content to include a new content element within your dynamic block. Select from the list of content types to choose from. We are going with image type. Click Edit to modify the image properties and specify the image source. Open the File section under Content on your left side panel of the Shopify admin. Click here to copy the image URL that you want to use as the dynamic content. Click Desktop Image URL and paste the copied URL to specify the image that will display on desktop devices. You can set up multiple images for different devices. Click Save to store your image content settings within the dynamic content block. Copy the content ID and click Open Checkout Customizer to begin placing your dynamic content block on the checkout page. Click Add Block to insert a new content block into your checkout layout. Select Dynamic Content to choose the type of block that will display your custom content. Click Dynamic Content ID and enter the identifier for your content block to link it properly. Enter the Dynamic Content ID number to specify which content block to display on checkout. Click Save to apply your changes and finalize the addition of dynamic content to your checkout page. You have successfully added dynamic content to your checkout page using checkout blocks and the customizer. Verify the content appears under the specified cart total condition and explore further customization options to enhance your checkout experience.